Happy good morning!
Good morning!
Hey Sunny, today I'm going to show you 2 quick and simple ways to make some easy Easter egg salt art.
Yay! Let's get started!
To begin, you'll need some paper, a pencil, glue, I like the clear kind but you can use regular school glue, and of course some salt. In my How to Draw an Easter Egg video, I showed you a really easy way to make an egg-cellent egg shape. We'll start by using that same trick here. Draw your outline and now add some whimsical doodles like curved lines and zigzags. Next, you'll need some scratch paper.
Things are about to get messy.
We'll trace over our lines with our favorite type of glue. Now for the fun part. Let's add a generous amount of salt to our design. Shake off any excess salt grains and set your beautiful creation aside to dry. Once the glue is dried, we'll need some watercolors to help decorate our fabulous Easter egg. Mix your favorite paint color with some water. I like to use the lid of my paint set to mix my colors. Now gently dab the watercolor onto the salt. Begin with just a little bit of paint at first. You don't want too much excess water on your paper. You may start to notice some of your colors running into each other. It's okay, that's what makes each Easter egg so unique.
It kind of makes it look like tie-dye.
Yeah, it does. Or ombre. Either way, it's just so pretty. Here you can see we only put paint on the salt and not the paper. This helps give your egg an awesome raised and textured look. Let's take a look at our final design.
Oh wow, that looks so cool.
For our next salt art egg, we'll need some paper, a pencil, glue, salt, and some pastel markers. I'm using highlighters. We'll use the same egg shape as before, and we'll draw a new design on our paper using a pencil. Next, we'll color in each section of the egg using a different highlighter. I started with a pink top, yellow polka dots, a purple background, a blue, a green, and then a peach chevron, followed by a pink bottom.
Now time for the glue.
We'll retrace our pencil outlines with our favorite type of glue. I'm sprinkling on the leftover salt from our first project. Now shake off any excess onto your scratch paper. Here's the final look. But wait, we're not done decorating yet. Let's add a background. I just love the way these adorable eggs turned out. Here I added some sweet bunny cutouts.
Aren't they the cutest?
Aw, Sunny, thanks! Be sure to watch our next video where we'll show you how to create even more easy egg art. We hope you have a happy Easter, and we'll see you again next time for more amazing craft ideas.
Happy crafting!